Hi everyone, you are now on the training video on how to use the data-driven query expansion. Data-driven expansion refers to the most experimental type of query expansion developed by the Work Package 1 of the Seneca project. This expansion strategy relies on a word-to-vec algorithm, which is actually a two-layer neural network that processes text by vectorizing the words. Trained on 2 million biomedical articles from PubMed, this algorithm has built a specialized model and it's able to group the vectors of similar words together in its vector space. It can also consider a window of terms, like a short sentence of 2 or 3 terms, and add them together to find a vector related to the word in question. To keep it simple, such a model considers that boy or young human male are similar to man, like girl or young human female are similar to woman. But unlike the ontology-driven expansion, this model is likely to expand the concept to non-formal relationships. For example, if an ontology would expand the concept with its synonyms, whether generic or specific, such a data-driven model is able to expand the concept with additional antonyms or any other related concepts. So, let's see how it works, and let's start with the basic URL. As you can see on my Postman interface, you have to interrogate the server named Goldorak using the port 8890. Of course, you can find the URL of this service in the description of the video. Now, the parameter. Keywords is the only parameter available to the user. It accepts a string of one or multiple words as input. But you can also use a semicolon to split your input and search separately for different terms. For the demonstration, I will search for atrial fibrillation. As you can see here, the JSON result is really simple to process, and it is compliant with the beacon format. There is a first section, query, that recaps the user input. Then, in the second section, under response, a JSON object lists all the terms that should be interesting according to the word-to-vec model. As you can see, the proposed terms are not always synonyms in the strict sense, but you can use them to focus the research to a broader context.